Hi, this is Sharon Amesqua again from S2A Modular, here to talk about the specific requirements that we are seeking for the land that we need for the modular factories that we are building across the U.S. We need a minimum of 30 acres that are shovel-ready and prefer 40 acres if we can find that within our budget. The company prefers sites that are flat in topography and do not require a lot of fill dirt or blasting, square or rectangular in shape, and at least 900 feet on one side in order for the design of our building layout to fit properly. Shovel ready means the land is considered to be at an advanced stage enough for development of the building to begin soon. And that includes the fact that there are utilities at the site, such as water, sewer, electricity, and gas, which we only need in colder climates. There is no major stormwater infrastructure to be constructed, which is required in some states, counties, or cities. We also need to ensure that the 52-foot height of our factories is not an issue in the area and that the site is located on a 4-lane road and near major highway or freeway arteries for optimal delivery logistics. These are the major requirements of the land that we are seeking across the U.S. for the S2A modular factories. Please see the s2amodular.com website for the map of the locations where we are seeking to buy land. Thank you so much for your time.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.